Hello students, in today's tutorial I am going to discuss 3 questions. Okay, you follow these questions and for the exam. Now the first question is, write a program to find the area of a rectangle. User will provide the length and breadth. The program will give the area as output, means the length and breadth will be given by the user and the output and the area will be shown by the program. So first here I have taken this a variable and then I have used float, then input type, then here I have written enter length. So enter length, after that I have used this \t. \t means tab space, means giving a tab space, that is a space after it. Then enter length will be written there. Then b is equal to float input enter breadth, so breadth will be entered. Then after that area is equal to a star b, means first area will be calculated, this is also a variable, then is equal to a into b, the value will be that will be inserted at a and that will be inserted at b. So this will be calculated and then print area, then area is equal to, so first area is equal to, it's written here, so that's why it will first write the area equal to, then here comma area. Since there is no quotes, then the value will be taken by the compiler, that is this area value will be printed here. So this is the code to find the area of a rectangle. Similarly we can also find the sum of 3 numbers. Here as you can see I have taken 3 variables, then I have written here sum is equal to, so the output, in the output there will be sum equal to, then here comma a plus b plus c. So after sum it will be a plus b plus c, means the those variables will be sum up, okay, and printed. Then next, this is a program regarding the calculating the interest and the amount. So at first here the write a program to find the interest and the amount for a user given principal, means user will provide the principal, rate and time. So here p is equal to this enter principal, then r is equal to enter rate, then t is equal to enter time. Means here I have taken float because principal always the amount will be in decimal points, so like 100.00, so that's why I have taken float. Then here also I have taken float, then here also I have taken the float. Then here interest, how to calculate the interest? Here as you can see p into r into t divided by time, but here in the program you can write like this, okay, divided by 100. So that's why we will first calculate the p into r into t, that's why given in the single brackets, then after a slash then it's written 100, okay. Then next is amount is equal to p plus interest. So p means the principal, that is will be inserted by the user, then interest that will be calculated by the interpreter, this. Then after that I am printing the interest is equal to, interest means the amount that will be calculated here, then amount is equal to this, means the amount will be calculated here. So this interest will be placed here and the amount will be placed here. So in this way you can code the code for the values, okay. So you can try this code in the online compiler. I will also give a practical session regarding this, okay. Thank you, and try the code and complete your notes. Thank you.